Hi everyone, look at the graph, perfect timing. Let's talk about SEI. They launched a few months ago. Since that, the market cap reached point of $1.4 billion, and it was soaring 7,500% from the start. This is actually insane growth. And before we dive to the project, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my reserve channel, and I will post here pretty much the Bitcoin, other related cryptocurrency news, and overall the cryptosphere news. So I would much appreciate that. Fully diluted market cap 7.1 billion. This is actually insane as well. By the way, we don't have here the circulation supply to the total supply, so how much is the coins are circulated. Obviously this one is layer 1, and as they said, fast is layer 1. The the layer 1 asset paralyzing the EVM. Yeah, so they made a L1 solution, 607,000 followers. So this is getting pretty insane within a year, actually 1.5. So a big community standing there, a lot of devs, and let's talk about the whole ecosystem that they are working in. But as they describe, it's a layer 1 optimized for the exchange of digital assets, a fully open sourced general purpose blockchain. And they are also mentioning that the advancement of the SEI has made for the underlying consensus mechanism and transactions processing enables parallel execution, industry-leading finality, and the smooth user experience for the apps built on the SEI blockchain, as you can see on my screen. SEI is designed to address the scalability and the user experience problems that stop Web3 apps from growing to mainstream adoption. The exchange of the digital assets is a universal function across gaming, social, NFT, and DeFi applications. So there's a bunch of projects here. The whole ecosystem is showing currently like that. So there's NFT platform, gaming platforms, DeFi platforms. So a lot of things that we already seen on Solana, Avax, etc., Polygon, they are pretty much building the same thing. And yeah, they have already the app. It might look pretty basic, but still the functionality is there. They are suggesting to stake the SEI pretty low, the APR. There's 39 validators, bonded token ratio 99%, and the scan is a little bit I didn't get that. So where can I see, for example, the holders, all holders on the blockchain? So there's blocks, yeah, there's transactions, but where do I see, for example, as we've seen on ETH scan or the BNB chain scan, Polygon scan? I don't see it here. Maybe I'm in a wrong place, but still, anyway, it's not easily loaded here. So that is the main question here. And yeah, we don't go to the code. The most important information is, of course, the fundraising that they had in the past. Of course, they launched a while ago. They were building a year of the project. So they started with the $0.005. That is meaning that all-time high ROI is 128,000. Just 128, not 1,000 axes. So that is 100x already. They raised 5 million on that. I think once they knew that this will be it. This will be hit. They sold private round for $0.04. That is making less access, but still 16 access on the investment of the 10 million. So this is actually still huge numbers. And the safe funding rounds was the Circle. I'm not sure it was the last one, but it's not here. But the last was Circle, and of course the seed round was the multi-coin capital. They're pretty much everywhere I see multi-coin capital. Also, they were on a private round, is my guess. So yeah, in the seed and also the private round. And the last was the Circle. Tokenomics, pretty simple, but still a lot of coins going to the to the investors that I mentioned previously. So this is actually, I don't know if it's good or not, because once we know there's whales in the token or coin, it could be manipulative, but still, those who are invested early, like, should they get a proper reward or not? Foundation 9%, team 5 to 6 years 4.8%, and the Binance Launch Pool 3%. Team 2 to 4 years. Actually, we just go for the vesting. So currently unlocked 23%. Next unlock will be 1.25%, and still there's 52% locked and 23% untracked. This is actually very interesting. So we have the unlock of the ecosystem reserve, 53%, foundation 22%, and of course there was Binance Launch Pool. Congrats to those who were participating on that. There's 2 billion tokens untracked. Pretty interesting. Anyway, I hope this video clarifies about the project. If you're interested in crypto news or the Bitcoin news, and I would just recommend to subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of good things going on and a lot of good news. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one. And Happy New Year.